Good morning, students. So, today we are going to cover another topic about job rotation. So, this is another important topic. So, basically, this refers to the movement of an employee from one job to another over a designated period of time. So, jobs themselves are not actually changed, only the employees are rotated among various jobs. An employee who works on another job for some days or months and return back to the first job. We can take example if somebody is working in the production section, if there is a manager, so he will be shifted to the another department for some time period. So that will be the job rotation. In another words, we can say this would relieve the employee from boredom and monotony. Why this has happened? जब हम एक एम्प्लॉय को किसी जगह से चेंज करते हैं, किसी जॉब से उसको रोटेट करते हैं दूसरी जगह पे, तो उसके लिए कुछ कारण होते हैं. दैट वुड बी सम बोर्डन. कभी कभी एम्प्लॉयज़ एक जॉब से बोर हो जाते, तो हम उसका थोड़ा फन एक्टिविटी करवाने के लिए हम उसको दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. इम्प्रूव्स द एम्प्लॉय स्किल रिगार्डिंग वेरियस जॉब्स. एंड इस चीज़ से एक और बेनिफिट है दैट वन पर्सन कैन बी more improved in another jobs also. So हम employees के skills को बढ़ा सकते हैं job rotation की मदद से. This is also intended to improve workers self image and provide personal growth. और इस चीज़ से एक person की personal growth भी होगी. So this is all about job rotation. However, job rotation can have very limited potential. It does not change the basic nature of job. इसकी वजह से कोई बेसिक नेचर जॉब का चेंज नहीं होगा, बट इन द सेम फील्ड्स उसको सिर्फ रोटेट किया जाएगा फॉर सम टाइम पीरियड. Moreover, frequent rotation of employees may cause interruptions in the work routine of the organization, and there are so many limitations also of the job rotation that person get disappointed sometimes. Person can get rid of his work, and sometimes उसको interruptions आ सकती हैं. So these kind of things may happen in job rotation. If we talk about the approaches to job design, there are three. First one is scientific management approach, that is to be given by F.W. Taylor, and second one is behavior approach, that is given by Herzberg, and the third one is socio-technical system approach. So we would study about the first one, scientific management approach. The earliest approach to job design is the rational approach or industrial engineering approach propounded by F.W. Taylor, the father of scientific management. हम जैसे मैनेजमेंट के फादर हेनरी फ्योल को बोलते हैं, इसी तरह से साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट के फादर F.W. टेलर को बोला जाता है, फ्रेडरिक विंस्लो टेलर. सो इन्होंने इस चीज़ का साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट का फर्स्ट अप्रोच किया था. द स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन ऑफ जॉब्स इनटू सिंगल बेस्ट वे बाय विच दे कैन बी परफॉर्म्ड. सो एक ये सिंगल वे था जिससे कि कोई भी पर्सन एक अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे सकता है अपनी जॉब को लेकर. द ट्रेनिंग ऑफ वर्कर्स इन द सिंगल बेस्ट वे टू परफॉर्म द जॉब. ट्रेनिंग उनकी इंपॉर्टेंट थी. द स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर लीडिंग टू एक्सपर्टाइज इन स्मॉल नैरो जॉब्स. और उनको स्पेशलाइज्ड करना, लेबर को भी स्पेशलाइज्ड करना. लेट्स सपोज कि बड़ी बड़ी मशीनरीज हैं, तो उनके जो नट्स होते हैं या उनके टूल्स होते हैं, उन चीज़ों की नैरो थिंग्स को जानना, बारीकियों को जानना, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. और इसी चीज़ से हम एक पर्सन को स्पेशलाइज्ड बना सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट. सो साइंटिमेटिक एंड स्पेसिफिक determination of job description for each job. Next we will be covering behavioral approach. During 1950s, Herzberg research popularized the notion of enhancing need satisfaction through what is called job enrichment. So एक job का enrichment जो था वो हर्सबर्ग ने रिसर्च किया था, जो कि आगे जाके behavioral approach के नाम से जाना गया. There are many different approaches to job enrichment, yet all of them attempt to help the job incumbent satisfy personal needs while performing the job. Job को करते टाइम जो उनको personal satisfaction की ज़रूरत है, उस चीज़ को behavioral approach में हम करेंगे. Behavioral approach, and in another words, one widely publicized approach to job enrichment uses the job characteristics model. This model is based on the view that three key psychological states of a job incumbent affect motivation and satisfaction of the job. There are three stages: experienced meaningfulness worth of the work, experienced responsibility, and third one is knowledge of results, like understanding how effectively he or she is performing the job. Any person it can be. So there are basically three stages. Another one is the more these three states are experienced, जितने भी ये तीनों stages experienced होंगे, the more job incumbent will feel internal work motivation. So जितने भी employees हैं, those who are working in a organization, they will be feeling more motivation. They will be having that. Next we have socio-technical system approach. This approach calls for the decision of work system that would foster a meshing of the technical and social aspects of the job. In order to create jobs which have this supportive relationship, work teams, not individual job, must be studied. So socio-technical system में क्या आ जाएगा? जब आप team work करते हो, when we work in a team, we are not doing the work individually. Job design through socio-technical approach requires the combined efforts of employees, and this kind of job design really needs the combined efforts of employees. Nobody will work individually, nobody can do task individually. They have to get a group, they have to make a group and put a lot of efforts to achieve their targets. So supervisor and union representative in analyzing specific job operations. Then we have socio-technical system approach. In other words, we can say the major thrust of the socio-technical approach to job design is that both the technical system and the accompanying social system should be considered when designing jobs. So कुछ आपकी जब आप जॉब्स को डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो, उनकी स्पेशलाइजेशंस लिख रहे हो, उनका डेजिग्नेशन डिसाइड कर रहे हो, सो सोशियो टेक्निकल सिस्टम अप्रोच को हमने उसके अंदर ज़रूर ऐड करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कंसेप्ट, जॉब्स should be designed by taking a holistic or systems view of the entire job situation. So इस चीज़ को करने के लिए एक हमें जॉब सिचुएशन को समझने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. What kind of job it is and who will be performing that job, right person for the right job. We have to find that person, including its physical and social environment. So basically these were the three approaches. I hope you all understood the topic till this. Thank you so much.